Today I want to showcase a mighty inhabitant of Kaziranga, the wild buffalo. They roam free in the 430 square kilometer area of Kaziranga National Park. Around 1400 of them survive here. A few wild buffaloes are also found in Chhattisgarh. In the past, there have been some sightings of wild buffalo in Meghalaya, Maharashtra and Sunabada Wildlife Sanctuary in Odisha. The wild buffaloes grow up to 1200 kgs. From their demeanor, they don't appear to have a good impression about people, as more often they start snorting, kicking the ground with their hooves and charging. If you are on foot, then it would be prudent to keep a safe distance from these giant herbivores. This wild buffalo with an impressive set of horns came very close to my jeep. We were on higher ground. I was quietly filming and no one moved. Finally, it decided against charging at us. Wild buffaloes are herbivorous animals. Their diet includes aquatic plants, crops, grasses, herbs, leaves, bark of trees. They feed on aquatic vegetation that grows in marshy areas and along rivers. They also eat microalgae and stems. Wild buffaloes are also important to the grassland ecosystem as they help in plant rejuvenation. Both males and females have horns. Their horns are heavy at the base with a wide sweep spreading up to 2 meters along the outer edges. With these impressive set of horns, wild buffaloes look majestic. These horns aren't just for show. They are vital tools for defense and dominance within their herds. Wild buffaloes are polygynous. One male mates with multiple females. The dominant male mates with females of the clan, after which the male is driven away by them. The breeding season is from October to November. Wild buffaloes have a gestation period of 11 months, after which a single calf is born. The newborn calf weighs between 35 to 40 kilograms. Wild buffaloes nurse their calf for 9 months. When the mother is with the calf, she resents the sight of any predators and people. She shakes her head as if she is shoving and hitting out at the source of danger. Some feral dogs appeared at a distance, and the mother immediately turns around to face in that direction. Even though the feral dogs were running away, as a mother, she is always on high alert. She is not going to take any chances. Wild buffalo calf becomes independent in 2 years. These wild buffaloes can crossbreed with domestic buffaloes. When the female wild buffaloes get pregnant by a domestic buffalo, the calf survives. But when a male wild buffalo impregnates a female domestic buffalo, then it becomes difficult, as a domestic buffalo is not designed to carry a large-sized baby of the wild buffalo. Crossbreeding is an issue around the periphery of Kaziranga. It is a big issue for the wild buffaloes of Chhattisgarh, as their genetic purity is questionable. Despite their tough exterior and fierce reputation, Wild buffaloes are social animals. They live in herds led by a dominant female and they demonstrate complex social behaviors. As the sun started hiding below the horizon, suddenly we witnessed a marvelous sight. Hundreds of wild buffaloes started trooping in. The entire place was teeming with these majestic wild buffaloes. They were congregating at one spot, gathering to rest. Wild buffaloes are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Poaching and habitat loss due to encroachment is a big challenge for this species. The International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) has classified wild buffaloes as endangered in its red list of threatened species. The future of these wild buffaloes are intertwined with the fate of Kaziranga. It reminds us of the importance of preserving such natural wonders. If this content resonates with you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share your views in the comments below.